Oh, yeah, going ain't like nigga. Move out the way, please don't be a hero. Bling, blow, ooh, she no skateboard, please. Bling, blow, ooh.
What's going on, everybody? It's your boy DK Antics coming to you again with another video. In this one, we got 3 packages from Supreme. Week 1, I ended up picking up I think 5 different items, and it was weird for this past week. The first drop was 2 weeks ago, a week and a couple days ago, but they skipped a week to catch up on orders to send them out, which is something that Supreme I don't think has done, but they did it last week, which I'm kind of okay with, and I don't have to worry about getting week 1 packages at the same time I get week 2 stuff, and I'm not able to make a week 1 video. But week 2 already looking kinda hype. There's a few items I'm gonna try to grab, but let's not talk too much about week 2. Let's see what I got from week 1. Let's get into it. Let's start with the first package. Now, the box logo stickers that came here, I believe there were the 4 camo stickers that came same colors as the skateboards, and I'm hoping I can get a gray or a blue one. Hopefully I can get one of each. If I can get other ones, it'd be cool, but those are the 2 I'm looking for sticker wise, at least. I don't know what other stickers came. So first thing I got was a gray Supreme. I think this was called the balloon tee. It's in a size medium. I don't remember if this is exactly what I ordered. I thought I ordered a white one, but I may have ordered the gray one. I don't know. But this design was pretty cool. Gonna keep it in package. I'm not gonna be keeping this. I'm not even a size medium. Along with it, you got the free gift, which is this rubberized gloves with the box logo on it. Kind of strange that they're doing gloves, but you know, COVID, maybe that's why they brought out the gloves. Surprised they didn't do masks. But and then the stickers I got. Sadly, I did not get the camo box logo in this one. Wow, this is really airtight. I believe that's called a Stay Positive sticker over here. This is the Jet sticker, and then just normal box logo. Hopefully I can get that camo one some other time. Let's get into this box now. It's weird, usually the skating boxes, I have 2 in my closet, but open up from the top. This time, you open up from this big side. If you haven't guessed already, I did get a skateboard, another pair of free gloves, and I got the green camo Supreme big logo skateboard. It looks a lot darker than I thought it would. I wish I could have gotten the blue or the gray one. I should have went for those first, but I thought I'd go for the gray or the green one first, because you know, green camo, nothing wrong with that. That's my second item I've gotten. And now, last but not least, let's get into this box. Sorry about that. Camera kind of got cut off. It fell down a bit. But my third item was the Balloons skateboard deck in the black colorway. There was a black and a white colorway. I thought the black looked better because of the contrast of the colors, rather than a white background kind of blends it in with the white. I'd rather have the black so it pops more. This deck I don't think was that hyped compared to obviously the big logo Supreme camo. Still want to try to get the other, at least the gray and the blue one of the camo. Pink one's going for more than the other two. Honestly, I think it's going for twice as much as all the other boards, roughly. I haven't checked what this is going for at all. I haven't really looked at any of week 1 items on what they're going for. But got that. 2 boards. Definitely best cop out of these 3 items was this board right here. Still wish I got the blue or gray, like I said. Feel like it would have popped a little bit better off the wall, or if you were to hang it up, or just have in general, it looks better. I believe I have 2 more items I'm still waiting for. I don't know when they should be here, maybe Wednesday, hopefully, fingers crossed. Once I get those 2 items that I'm waiting for, I'll edit in right here. Alright, so it's the next day since I recorded the first part, and I believe this should be the final package. So, let's get into this real quick. I'm still hoping for them box logo, the camo box logo stickers. Hoping to get at least one. And we got 1 pair of the free gloves. I'll skip the stickers for now. So I got the blue name tag stickers just to add a cart. Strange that, if you can see that, is taped on or taped together with just normal Scotch tape. I don't know if that's really how they all came. It seems like they did it themselves. But other thing I got was the cards, the bicycle cards. And now these I can open up to give you kind of a closer look. Oh, they're in plastic, but there's the Joker for you, along with the backs that have 2 box logos, along with the spade in the middle. I think these cards look pretty clean. Almost has like a reflective look to it because of all of them together. I'd assume I'm pretty sure it's see-through through the outsides and through the middle. But those were my last 2 pickups for week 1, along with the skateboards and the shirt. Now I can already tell I didn't get it. Oh, never mind. I got Pharoah Sanders sticker along with the green camo box logo, and there's a red camo box logo behind that as well. Yep. And I think that's it for the stickers. Yep, those 3. Back of the Pharoah Sanders has some writing like most of the photo tee stickers do. For everything from week 1, I put into this box here. I got 4 pairs of the free gloves, the cards, the name tags, the balloon tee in a size medium in the ash gray colorway, the balloons deck, and earlier, or when I unboxed this deck, I did say the other colorway was a white one. It's actually a silver background, which it's kind of weird. I wish the white probably would have looked better, but I got the black one, so it don't matter. Then the Supreme big logo in camo skateboard, along with the 2 sticker packs with the Jet sticker, Stay Positive sticker, and the BOGO. Then the Pharoah Sanders, the camo box logo, and a normal BOGO in that one. That'll be it for week 1 pickups. If you did enjoy the video, please leave a like down below. If you want to see something in future videos, comment down below, and make sure to subscribe. If you did enjoy this video, also check back on past videos that I have made. Check them out if you do enjoy, like those ones as well. It's been your boy DK Antics, and I'll see you for week 2. See ya.